Hello. There's two people inside. Let's have lunch. I am eating lunch now. Ayan, nalaglag pa. Gusto niyo yung nalaglag pa? I am eating lunch now. I don't know if you're eating. Bakit kaya yung itsura ko? Why is it like that? I don't like it. No. Okay. Yeah. Hi everyone! Hello, hello, hello. I am eating lunch na. Ano ulam mo, ma? Ano ulam? Ma, mga anak, tinola. I'm eating tinola now. I'm having lunch. Naisip ko, magla-live na ako. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, magla-live ako. So, magla-live ako. And I promise everybody that I will be back on TikTok Live. Pero okay lang ba sa inyo na kumakain ako? Okay lang. Diba before 2017, I did my community engagement program. We donated schools with JCI, Paranaque. Collaborate ako with them and I'm also part of it. And then I joined the military reservists, Philippine Marines, diba? But now, as a mother, it's holistic health. So that covers reproductive health and mental health. So it's interconnected. It's not being talked about much ngayon because I've been very open with my PCOS and endometrioma journey. And I know how difficult it is to be talked about kasi nga wala tayong masyadong spaces for that. But, you know guys, meron isang organization I really do believe in. It's called Kindred PH. I love everyone in Kindred PH. Hi, Jess. Si Jess De Mesa is the CEO. They have affordable resources that can support women. Again, from reproductive health, mental health. They educate you about it as well. And I think everyone deserves to have quality healthcare. Lalo na tayo mga babae, hindi nila alam, di ba? Lalo na sa reproductive health natin. Hindi siya masyado na pag-uusapan. So, I am gravitating towards that. Ang Kindred naman, they are partnered with some LGUs. And I hope yung mga ibang LGUs mag-roll out with the same project. So, yun ang target natin. Malabas natin lahat yan about holistic health. Kasi, yes, importante rin ng mental health. Super importante yan. Pero, why people ask you, gusto mo bang makatapat sa nito? Ayaw mo bang makatapat sa niya? Alam you guys, ako excited ako to meet everyone. And, if, you know, hindi lang naman ako yung may dream na sumali sa pageant. Hindi lang naman ako may dream na maging Miss Universe. Ang daming girls na nag-dream na makasampa sa stage. And that is valid. And I support women. I support their dreams. Diba? Kung pala-palas kami ng purpose na makapag-inspire, better. The more, the merrier. I know there's only one crown, but at the end of the day, it's how you use that purpose and to make an impact. So, kahit sino yung makalaban, okay na okay sa akin. Walang problema yun. I am 5'6". That's my height. I am 5'6". Much. I have nothing else to say but thank you. Kasi, hindi ko rin naman masyadong in-expect na matatandaan pa rin ako ng mga tao. Kasi, di ba, there are younger generation, mga mas bata, di ba? Hindi ko naman alam na makikilala din naman nila ako. Tapos, yung mga dating nakanood sa akin, bumabalik sila ngayon and they're very excited and I'm so happy na nandyan pa rin sila kahit papano. So, thank you for waiting for me. Thank you na nandiyan pa rin yung fire niyang mag-support sa akin. And, so, nawalan ako ng words. She is so prepared with everything. Kung alam niyo lang kung paano siya mag-organize ng mga bagay-bagay, kung paano siya mag-plan ng strategies, grabe guys, mind blown. I have to admit that I still need to improve with a lot of things, lalo na sa pageantry ngayon. But she is the one who helps me. Sobrang grateful ako sa kanya. Sobrang nalilinawan yung utak ko pag kausap ko siya. There are times na nag-uusap kami parang hour over the phone. And siya ata yung una kong sinabihan at tinanong if okay bang sumali ako. And I really, really appreciate her. I am grateful for her with, yung plano niya. Basta, hands down, she's my Miss Universe. I love her. She's my cousin. Um, yes, may pagkabias ako, but I love her. And I'm so grateful for her. This journey is a little bit easier because of her. So I love MMD. I think Sanya and I are the same height. I'm not sure. Matagal na kami hindi nagkikita. Or am I a little bit taller? I'm not sure. But Sanya is really, really nice. And pretty. I hope she joins then someday. Nako, si MMD sa Saliban ng Miss Grand. We'll never know. 'Di ba? Hindi naman tayo nagsasabi ng tapos. So, abangan na lang natin siya kung gagawin niya yun. Ako, kung anong gusto niya, I'll support her all the way. Hello, that's MMD. That's Michelle Marquez D. Have you seen her perform? Ibang level. Your questions are so funny. Again, there are a lot of girls who are joining Miss Universe Philippines. And I have nothing to say about that. I am excited to meet each and every one. I am excited to share the stage with them. And I think that's what's important. I have no other thoughts. Sorry na naglag. I have no other thoughts na anong tingin ko sa kanila, anong ganyan. I don't think that's important. Pasensya niya, walang nakapake ng charge kasi ako. There, I'll fix it. I have no other thoughts about them. It's just that I'm excited to share the stage with them. I'm excited to perform alongside them. And hindi naman na kailangan yung mga questions sa mga tinatanong nyo. I don't think that's important. The important thing is we all enjoy, we give a good performance for everyone. And, this is a sisterhood. This is not a competition. Well, at least for me. It's Miss Universe Philippines. Hindi pa ba ako lalaban ng Miss Universe? Hindi pa. Hindi po. Sana. Ulam ko is tinola. Why is everyone asking about my height? What is this? Oh, thank you. Sa TikTok, pag hindi naka-heels, parang nasa 5'7 ang height mo. Lagi ako nasasabihan yan that I look taller than my height. Lalo na when I am on stage. I won RHA. But I'm short. Sabi nga nila. But it's okay. I don't think height matters. If it matters for others, then that's their say. Yeah, I eat rice. Rice is life. Kumakain po ako ng rice. I hope it's okay po na kumakain ako. And I know it's Sunday. Gunulo ko yung Sunday nyo. Pero di ba nakakaloka? Galing lang ako. I am actually so sleepy. Wala po kasi akong pahinga from yesterday's ganap. After this, matutulog ako. So I have a few hours, not hours, a few minutes with you guys. I see here kasi Road to Cosmo. I am not eligible for any other crown. I'm only eligible for Miss Universe. So if God willing mapunta sa akin, thank you, Lord. But if not, I will not have any other crown. And it's okay. You know, joining this competition, it's a win for me. Winner na po ako. Kasi itong opportunity na to, hindi naman nabibigay sa lahat. Hindi lahat, um, di ba, nabibigyan ng chance. Pero if ibibigay ni Lord sa'yo yun, para sa'yo, dapat naging grateful na lang. So, stepping on that stage as Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa, winner na. Can you see what we eat? What I'm eating? It's tinola. Very, very soon. That's my favorite queen. I don't know if this is my filter ba to. Feeling ko may filter kasi hindi naman po yan. Pero, eye bags. But oh well, it's okay. Oh wow, you know what? There's this one. Sino to? Sino to? Hi Jazz X Universe. Hello. Thank you for that. Thank you. Yung name na, ang binigay na name sa walk ko before, ano ba yan? Nakakaloka. Ang name na binigay na sa walk ko before is Tornado. Tornado Walk. Yung fans lang ang gumawa yan. Nagulat din ako na nabasa ko yun. Thank you everybody. MMD, we don't live in the same house. And napanood niyo ba sa Sunday All-Stars? Ay, Sunday All-Stars AOS, All Out Sundays pala. Tagal na pala yun, All Out Sundays. She sang. Ano po yung meron sa mug nyo? BTS. Saan po kayo panda sa Muntinlupa? I stayed in Kupang Hillsboro Village. And I studied in San Beda College, Alabang. Nalaglag. San Beda College, Alabang. I finished college there. Major ako, business management, major and marketing management. Business administration. Yung pandemic, nasa Hillsboro kami ng daddy ko. You know what? Share ko lang sa inyo. I really love the community there. Sobrang memorable sa akin kasi lalo na in our village. Kasi nga, syempre, si ate niya, 2019, travel ng travel. Hindi naman in-expect na magkakaroon ng pandemic. So, yung savings ko, medyo nawala. Alam niyo yun. And, nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, syempre, wala. We stopped working, walang work. Sa bahay lang kami. I've learned how to cook, how to bake, and so, sa sobrang supportive ng community, ginawa namin siyang small business. So, ako lang yung nagbe-bake. Mag-isa ako, sister ko, and yung ate namin tumutulong sa akin. So, nagbibenta kami ng pandesal sa village. And, yun nga, so sobrang supportive nila. Kahit pa paano may kita kami nung pandemic. And yung dad ko, sobrang tuwan-tuwa. So, kami ng dad ko, gumagawa kami ng mga recipes. And na-excite kami kasi ako rin yung nagde-deliver. Yung dad ko, nag-aantay sa bahay pag may kukuha ng pandesal. Who's from Lancaster? Favorite ba ng Favorite mong tanong sa, is this some kind of ano on TikTok? Wait lang. Favorite ba? Tanongin sa TikTok yung anong age nyo? No, I stayed in Hillsboro, Kupang, Muntinlupa. Alam nyo, nung 2015, if hindi, syempre ang goal is Miss Universe, diba? I think lahat naman tayo Miss Universe ang gusto. Kami, nung pagsasali kami binibining Pilipinas. If hindi yon, I really wanted the supranational crown. But again, I am not eligible for any other crown. It's just Miss Universe because I would like to remind everyone that I am a mother already. So Miss Universe, abot pa ata yung age, I Miss Supranational, abot pa yung age ko. Pero syempre, they have a rule na hindi pwede mothers. Bakit pa ulit-ulit yung ano? Ulitin ko guys, I stayed in Muntinlupa, Kupang, Hillsboro. Ooh, for that question I see about Parañaque, they have a candidate already, and the franchise owners, yung LGU. I don't know LGU. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure about that. Meron na po silang candidate. And yun lang po ang alam ko. Hindi, I cannot answer because I do not know anything about that. When Muntinlupa offered it to me, the franchise owner, si Miss Anna, syempre I would accept that opportunity. Pero I don't know anything internally, guys. So please do not ask that question to me. But please support Miss Universe Philippines Parañaque. I'm excited to see her also. Yampas ang balakang. Nag-start na po ako mag-train. Yes, my dad is from Mabalacat, Pampanga. My mom, si mama taga Sante? Cervantes? Cervantes, Ilocosur naman si mama. Pero she stayed in Cebu? Yes. My dad is from Mabalacat, Pampanga. My mom is from Cervantes, Ilocosur, but she grew up in Cebu. Miss Anna Magkawas is my local director. She is my local director ng Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa. No, unfortunately, I do not speak Kapampangan. Oops. I do not, sorry guys, pahulog-ulog yung cellphone. I do not speak Kapampangan. Pero si Daddy, grabe. Ay, grabe yung Daddy. Pag tatanggalin ko na nga ito, nakakahiya sa inyo pala. Ano. Yan. Lobat na ako. So, pag namatay na to guys, I have to leave. Okay. But my dad is, di ba kapag Kapampangan, sobrang galing magluto or sobrang sarap. Grabe. Galing magluto ng daddy ko. No, hindi po Ayala Alabang. Kupang, Hillsboro. Ayan, Ate Jen! Thank you! Mag-thank you kayo kay Ate Jenny. Binigyan ako ng ano. Thank you! Binigyan ako para hindi nalalagay yung cellphone ko at makapag-charge. Ano ba yan? Ganito ba yun? Yan. Bakit parang hindi kasha? So, nagtatanong po kung lalaban po ako ulit, secret, charot. Na-announce na po. Ha? Ta? Okay. Thank you, Ate Jen. Sobrang Latina. Ang cool nun, sobrang Latina. Gusto niyo marinig? Okay. I am Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez, your Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. Oh, I cannot announce anything about Miss Universe Philippines. We have to wait for their announcements and dates. So, follow their social media accounts para maging updated din kayo. Sinong gusto kong makilala? Everybody! Every single girl. You know, I follow pageant pages. And obviously, nakikita ko yung mga faces nila kung sino yung mga nagko-confirm and sino yung mga nanalo sa local pageant. And I am so amazed with their beauties. Ang gaganda nila. Nakakaloka sa ganda. And na-admire ko yung beauty nilang lahat. Syempre, pictures lang yun. So, I can't say about how they are because I really don't know them. So, excited ako makita lahat. Ewan ko lang kung sana makilala ko sila lahat kasi I heard 70 pa kami or 80. Hindi pa confirm yon. Sana maalala ko lahat ng names and gagawin ko yun. Gagawin ko na maalala ko yung names nila. Guys, wala nang sample ng walk. Abangan nyo na lang. Hello. Is that Miss Anna? Is Miss Anna Magkawas here? Someone sent a crown. Andito ba siya? Andito siya? Oh my God! Hi, Miss Anna! You're watching. Iniinom ko po yung ano nyo now. 4 seasons, guys. Yan, 4 seasons. I-share ko lang sa inyo. Ate ko, di mo yung 4 seasons. Hi, Miss Anna! Oo. Guys, alam niyo ba yung 4 seasons ng Lux? Oh my gosh! Super love this. Ito yung iniinom ko ngayon. Walang eme. Tingnan ko Pakita ko sa inyo Yan. Ito yung iniinom ko. Tsaka paubos na siya. Tingnan nyo. Paubos na. Hi! Hi, Miss Anna! Yes, super sarap! Lux Live 4 Seasons Beauty Juice. Alam niyo, hindi ako ma-juice. Water lang talaga ako. And coffee. Pero minsan, limitado nga lang sa coffee. I don't drink soft drinks as much. Or, basta, umiinom lang ako nun pag kunyari uhaw na uhaw or I don't know. This is so good. This is healthy and good. Yes. Wala akong masabing iba. I like this. Hi, Miss Anna. Thank you. Thank you for watching. O, diba? Napakita ko pa sa inyo kung ano yung iniinom ko. Kaya nyo gagawin ko yun lagi, guys. Check it out, no? Check it out. Check it out. Nakakatawa yung check it out. Check out lang. Yes, Lux Slim Force. Again, ulitin ko lang, iniinom ko ngayon. Lux Slim 4 Seasons Beauty Juice. And this is not a paid ad, guys. This is not a paid ad. So I really do drink it. May isa pa silang gusto ko, yung coffee black nila. Tsaka yung dark choco. Nag-order lang ako sa Lazada. Nag-order sa Lazada ng dark choco nila kasi alam ko naka-sale siya recently. It's good. No guilt. So hello po ulit, Miss Anna. Baby is upstairs. Diva Star is also here. Hi! Can we do Pwede ba tayo mag-meet like, can we, what do you call that? Ano ba tawag doon? Two-way call, two-way call. Napaghahalataan yung ano, two-way call. Nakakatawa yung two-way call. Yeah, maybe we could talk and shotgun talk here. Or maybe on her TikTok. I can do that. Si Diva Star. Hello. Yeah, maybe on her TikTok, no? Sa next live. Uh, next live. I think, yes, we should. Okay lang ba ganito lang yung itsura ko? When I do live sa'yo. Sa next live mo. When is your next live? We could do this. We could talk. It's fun to talk. It's fun to talk. Shout out sa mga taga Baguio. Gusto kong pumunta sa Baguio. Oh, okay. Bawal man sabi ng ibang apps. Okay, I won't do that. Sorry, I'm new to TikTok Live, so I'm not really sure. But thank you for teaching me how. And I promise you guys I will from now and then na magla-live ako sa TikTok. I graduated at San Beda College Alabang, business ad, major in marketing management. I also got my teacher certificate in Southville International School and Colleges. So, alam niyo, share ko lang sa inyo. I also wanted to be a preschool teacher. Kasi ang nasa isip ko pag nagkaanak ako, wala pa si Luna nun. Gagawa ko ng sarili kong school, tapos ilalagay ko sa tabi ng bahay ko para malapit lang yung anak ko sa akin. Then ako rin yung nagtuturo. Something like that. But, hindi pa po ako nakakakuha ng LET because when I applied for an LET, bigla po akong nanalo sa Miss World ng Reina Hispano-Americana. Tapos nag-overlap siya. So, hindi ako nakakuha ng exam. Sana someday. How do I maintain my weight? Really, just discipline. I know it's easy to say, but it's really hard to do. Discipline, your food, your consistency in working out. Thank you. What made me decide to join Miss Universe Philippines? It's simply because I do not want to have any regrets in my life. An opportunity presented itself. Tinanong ako if gusto kong sumali. Miss Anna Magkawas was there to help me fulfill that dream, and who would say no to that, diba? So, I don't have any expectations. I just want to give my all. I want to give my 110% in performing and giving a good show to everyone and for my family to be proud of me. And I guess that's it. Tayo, papasa naman ng ano. Thank you. Wait lang ha. Yes, and I'm a bit sick also. So, ingat tayo. Kasabayan mo ba si Gabby Garcia? I think nauna ako kay Gabby. A few. I'm not sure. But when I met her, she was really, really young. So, I'm not sure. Wow, 2,600 viewers. Tama ba? Perfect. Ate, nagko-coffee po ba kayo or tea? Both. Both. Ang coffee na gusto ko talaga is cold brew. But, ang favorite ko ngayon, ito kasi baka isipin yung paid ad, pero hindi talaga. Gusto ko talaga siya. Nag-order pa ako sa Lazada. Kung gusto nyo makita yung resibo, papakita ko. Is yung Lock Slim na actually dark choco and yung cafe black. May masarap pa sila ate. Ano yung gusto nyo? Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Gustong gusto rin yun ng mga kasama ko sa bahay. Ano bang sinasabi kong ibang app? May sinasabi ba akong ibang app? Ano bang... Okay. Sa blue, sorry, I'm so sorry. Gets ko na. Okay, okay, okay. Dun sa blue, chururut. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Blue app. The blue app and the orange app. Tama? Correct? Ganon. Ganon. Yes. Okay. Got it. Perfect. On the blue app and the orange app. Okay. Do you know how to speak Spanish? Poquito. Un poquito. Well, I kind of know how to understand, but to speak Spanish, hindi masyado. A few words. Like, hola, mi nombre es Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez. Mga ganon. Oh, this question comes up every time. I cannot have any other crown. But if given a chance, tama ba? Given a chance? Or if pwedeng sumali sa ano, whatever crown they see fit sa akin, I would accept. Hello, everybody! Good luck sa defense nyo. I remember nung nag-thesis defense ako, nung fourth year college ba ako? Oo, fourth year college, Diyos ko. Ang uso pa nun is, yung project, hindi siya projector, anong tawag nun? Kung meron kasing edad ko dito, kung sino man nasa 30s, yung parang, light na nakaganon, tapos clear lang yung papel. Ano bang tawag nun? May makakasagot ba? Pag nagpe-present ka sa class, di ba yung parang may ilaw siya, tapos yung papel na ginagamit nyo is transparent. Yon, overhead projector. Acetate. Oh my God. May mga 30 plus din dito. Are you guys, acetate. Yun ang ginagamit namin before. Yes, acetate overhead projector. When I defended my thesis with my group mates, yun ang gamit namin. Guys, wala pang ano nun. Nagsistart pa lang lahat ng, yung lilalagyan pa lang yung mga classroom isa-isa ng projector talaga na maayos. Hi, Andrea. I am a mom at my 30s. Oh my God, I wish you good luck. Go for the crown win. Thank you. Hi, Andrea. Hi, Mama. Yay. It's so funny when people ask about, Again, guys, I get this question a lot also. We have to respect that meron po kasing iba't ibang owner ang franchise. And meron na po kasi silang napili at napadala na candidate. So, bakit? Ha? Okay. Napadala na candidate. So, I don't know anything else. I cannot answer kasi hindi naman po ako part noon. And ang masasabi ko lang when the franchise owner, syempre si Miss Ana, and nabigyan ako ng opportunity na sumali as mabigyan ng Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa, I won't say no, syempre. Ay, grabe pa ulit-ulit. Kakasagot ko lang. Thank you. Okay, I always see this. Hi. Oh, nawala. Lingkod, Kabataan ng San Pedro. Wait lang, I think James Lingkod, Kabataan ng San Pedro. Hello, James. My lipstick. I have it here with me. I love local products, Philippine products, Filipino products. This is my favorite. Sorry guys, may sipon kasi ako. She's more beautiful without makeup. Thank you. I think that's a compliment. Benefits po ng iniinom. Okay, I'll read it. Fat loss, improves metabolism, appetite control, meron din siya, appetite control, as well as better skin. It has green tea, Garcinia cambogia. I'm not sure if I'm reading it right. L-carnitine and dandelion extract. So yeah. Teleserye. Alam niyo magkakaroon ako ng teleserye. It's gonna air February 24 on GMA, Mommy Dearest. So sana po manood kayo. May nakita akong Attorney Jamie. Attorney Jamie. Yes! Hello, James. Suportahan natin si Bukal Attorney Jamie, ha? Hello from mga taga Zamboanga. Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin kung sino ang designer ng gowns ko. Kayo naman talaga. Age. I'm 32, guys. Yes, ako yung nasa Kambal, Sirena. For advice ko sa mga first or sa mga gustong sumali sa pageant, tama ba? Make sure you really want to join. Make sure that it's something you want to do. Huwag kayong sasampa sa stage, huwag kayong sasali if 80% lang kayo, 99% lang, because yung 1% na doubt na meron kayo, it can affect your performance. So, if you really want to join beauty pageants or pageantry, make sure that your heart is there and make sure you are prepared sa mga bagay na unexpected. So, you have to prepare mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Sometimes, nai-insecure ako mag-pageant. You know, I get insecure also. We are just human beings, diba? We get insecure when we see someone who's prettier, taller, but in all honesty, and I think this is reality, someone will always be beautiful, more beautiful, taller, diba? Kailangan lang natin hanapin sa sarili natin that we have to be confident with ourselves, that we are uniquely different from everybody else, and we have to accept that. Yes, easier said than done, but you know, we can do that. We can do that as long as also you're with the right people around you to set that yung magandang, di ba magandang aura, no? Yung magandang paalala ba sa'yo, di ba? So, insecurity, it's hard na maiwasan. Pero try. Because you are beautiful the way you are. You are uniquely beautiful. And don't ever forget that. I am older than Michelle. Sino to? Persiva Julius. Sino ang tita mo sa Batch Dakila? Yes, guys, for those who don't know, I am a Philippine Marine Reservist. I entered and enlisted back in 2020 during the pandemic. there's also a distributor here. Welcome to the Lux family. Wow, hello! Papasok ba ako? Go, Diva Star. Do you want? I have a few minutes. I can spare a few minutes pa. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Would that be okay with you? Before I say bye? Or do you want me to go to your TikTok? How do I add you? How do I add her? Oh my gosh, wait. Let me figure this out. Okay. What do you mean add? How do I add you? What does that mean? Can someone help me? How do, how do I have, guys, can someone, guest request? I think you have to guest request me. Click mo sa baba, guest request. Guess. Oh, there. And then, oh no.
Eto na ba?
Okay. Can you just request again? Wow, ang bilis. 1,400 na yung nanonood agad-agad after kong mawala. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Okay, I still have a few minutes with you guys. Naka-live ba si Diva Star? May naka-live si Diva Star. Okay, if you guys want to transfer to Diva Star's page, go transfer. I'll say bye to you guys na. Bye!